All right, Scott, let's talk about the world of Amazon affiliates. How much do they pay? I'm thinking about starting the program. Is this a good idea?
It's a big world out there. I don't want to still I'm not going to bury the lead too much. The answer is no, but let's explore exactly why Amazon
Yeah.
affiliates. So here's the deal, right? You can go and sign up and be an Amazon referral partner and an Amazon affiliate, and you can basically get a link and say, "Hey, everybody, go check out the Rode Podcaster Pro," right? Like this sort of podcasting recording thing that's on the screen here right now. I can make a bunch of videos about podcasting and stuff, and as my people watch my video, click in the link in the description, they go buy it. Amazon's going to send me just like recurring income all the time. Like that's the idea. That's the dream, right? But the reality is slightly different. Jordan, tell everybody exactly why that is.
So this is why you see all those camera reviews, all these YouTube channels making all these gear reviews, because they want you to click on this Amazon link. The idea or the hope or that they're praying that you click on this link, you go to Amazon, and you have within 24 hours to purchase this in order for them to get the credit. So you're kind of gambling. Jeff Bezos, Amazon, they're still going to get paid whether or not you get the credit or not as an Amazon affiliate. But the biggest part, like what we found out looking into it, was you only get 1 to 3% commission paid out. So on a $550 product like we have here, the Rodecaster, you would only get $16 of commission.
Which, like, 1 to 3% doesn't sound that bad if you're thinking, well, it's passive and I don't have to do anything and I don't have to ship anything, whatever. But I'm like, let's go to the next slide because I want to show you guys some of this math. Like we talked about before, Bezos is going to make his money, all right? And it's really about, can you possibly make your money? Think about this, all right? If you wanted to make $50,000 a year as an Amazon affiliate, it's almost laughable. You would have to refer 3,125 people to go buy these $550 product Roadcasters. Or put another way, you would make $1.75 million in Amazon's revenue. Amazon's going to make 175 and you're going to take home 50K. Okay. It is incredibly pennies on the dollar, right? It is absolutely 100% pennies on the dollar. When you're talking about 1 to 3% commission rate, the juice is just not there. For creators, if you have a YouTube following, you got an Instagram following or something like that, and you want to do some of this on the side, great. Keep doing it. I'm not saying anybody should stop doing it, but if you're starting a YouTube channel, you're starting an Instagram following, you're doing whatever, and you think that this is going to be your path to making a full-time income, you could not be more wrong. That is a massive, massive uphill climb. So instead, okay, like here's what people always ask. Well, okay, well, what are your guys folks doing that are making that kind of money, right? Well, what they're doing is they're selling digital products. Right, so they are not affiliating other people's stuff. They're selling digital products. They're selling stuff that they go and they create themselves. They keep 100% of the income. Right, these are stuff that generally speaking doesn't cost you a lot to go make. There's still no inventory. Right, there's still very, very little upfront cost. But when you go sell a $100 course, you keep 100% of that money. That is all yours. Digital products is a big, massive way that big creators on SamCart and elsewhere, of course, right, are the ones that are really monetizing and really breaking through that dollar per follower line. We always talk about that idea is if I have, 10,000 Instagram followers, I should be making at least $1 per follower per year, right? I should be making at least $10,000 a year. And we've got a lot of creators who at 10,000 Instagram followers are doing 5 to 10K a month, right? And digital products is how they are getting there.
The economics are nuts. So if you can sell $1.75 million of Amazon products, that probably means
you should be selling some of your own stuff.
Yeah, sell your own stuff.
You should absolutely be selling your own stuff. Yeah, for sure. If you've got that big of a following that you can do enough of that stuff, the opportunity cost of doing an Amazon affiliate deal over selling your own stuff is enormous. You guys are wondering, Amazon affiliate stuff, it's a nice little thing to have on the side. Do not rely on it for your main source of income, right? Instead, be looking at things like digital products that you own, stuff that you own, you create, and can sell for whatever you want. So thanks for watching this one, guys. If you guys want to check out more videos about how creators can monetize and make their side hustle into a full-time income, then be sure to subscribe here to the SamCart YouTube channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.